Hello everybody and welcome. In this short tutorial today we talk about the Blender Experimental. When you enter Blender website you will find different copies of Blender, and like daily or stable copies, so you can download it for your use. But there are another copies of Blender for more experience, make it by the developer in Blender company. You can download the experimental copy of Blender by going to Blender page, then download, and you go to experimental. Here you can find daily builds of Blender which can make your experience better and great. But pay attention when you use these copies because it's in under development, so use it in your own risk.